One sometimes finds what one is not looking for. It is the lone worker who makes the first advance in a subject. The details may be worked out by a team, but the prime idea is due to the enterprise, thought, and perception of an individual. Penicillin cures, but wine makes people happy. I have been trying to point out that in our lives chance may have an astonishing influence, and if I may offer advice to the young laboratory worker, it would be this: never to neglect an extraordinary appearance or happening. Nature makes penicillin. I just found it. When I woke up just after dawn on September 28, 1928, I certainly didn't plan to revolutionize all medicine by discovering the world's first antibiotic or bacteria killer. But I guess that was exactly what I did. It is the microbes that will have the last word. If you use penicillin, use enough. I certainly had no great plans for penicillin. I thought it might be useful. The thoughtless person playing with penicillin treatment is morally responsible for the death of the man who finally succumbs to infection with the penicillin-resistant organism. A good gulp of hot whiskey at bedtime, it's not very scientific, but it helps. Lives will be saved a few years hence, when penicillin has been forgotten. Antibiotics are not the ultimate answer to the whole problem of infectious diseases. As has been freely stated, they are essential, and they have their uses, but they are not a cure-all.
If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this channel too. Encourage us and comment with your feedback, which may help us to improvise and enhance our content. Beautiful Minds team.